All right, 119 Wheatheart Drive. Does have a gate over here to the side. Has a little peek through for the dogs over there. This is just a quick video to show what we will be selling anytime we're ready. This is the living room. That's the kitchen. Bathroom number 1. Bedroom number 1. Closet for towels and stuff. I guess you would call this another bedroom. Asen in his little cave here. You have a closet. This is the room I'll be working on this month. I'm gonna tune in to social media. Has a little door there that locks from the other side. It does have water softener, water filtration system. These cabinets were built by me. Hot water tank room. Laundry room. Built these cabinets. There's a trash can, pull out. Uppers. These cabinets over here. Even long cabinets. Step stool on the other side. This used to be a back porch. Now it's a boxed in back room. We have our other bedroom here. This makes bedroom number 4. This is technically the closet to this bedroom number 4, although there is one over there too. There's bathroom number 2. There's another bedroom. Currently just a spare bedroom. So let's go up here to the upstairs. This is an extra room. Right now it's just another bedroom for my youngest. It's the biggest bedroom in the house. There's no closet, so it's just an activity room really. Backyard. Does have a little gate over there. Small place to put stuff. There's that gate you can pull into the backyard. Has a shop in the back. Dogs dig a bunch of holes. This is space over here. Used to use it as a dog run. And there's a spot in the back of the garage that they can, that's where I put my extra metal. This is the garage. I'll be cleaning and fixing the bedrooms. And since I'll be off social media this month, I'm just gonna focus on the house for a month. Social media is kind of messing up my whole mental state with the Epstein files and everything. Like, nobody cares. So I'm just gonna sign out for a month, focus on my home life, and hopefully World War III don't happen in the meantime. I'm asking $350,000 for this house when it's done, but it's far from done. You can see that. It'd probably take another year for me to finish it. So haggle with me. I'm ready to move to Montana. Get the hell out of Tonkawa. Go be somewhere I belong, I guess. Somewhere where the air isn't all chemtrailed up and where the water isn't all tainted from the upper states and side states and all that. But hit me up.